everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to try something completely different that I've not done one of these before. I bought this off Temu. It's really small, but it's it's just to try. So we take it out of the packet. So it's this tiny little dustpan and brush. Just take that out because we don't need it. And there, a little dustpan. Nice small one. So we're going to try and do a dustpan pour. So I've just covered this canvas in black. It's still wet. I don't know how this is going to work. But anyway, so I'm just going to move that out the way. And we are going to fill up the dustpan. So I guess we need to do that, just to tilt it that way. I hope you can see it. Okay. I don't know, everybody. I've never done this before, like I said. So let's just see what we get. So I'm just going to put some colors into the dustpan. I hope you're all having a good day. It's a nice sunny day here today. It is a little windy, but the sun is shining at least, so that's a good thing. But I actually woke up this morning to the sound of the wind. That's a nice blue. Get that out. Ooh, we're about to go over this edge here. That's not good. That's too flat. Oh, goodness me. I suppose it's just playing around to figure out how to get it to work, eh? But anyway, we are just playing around here. Because I like to try new things, and this is something new. So, well, it's not new, but it's new to me. I've not done it before, so it's new to me. So we're just going to see what we get. There's some nice colors in there at least. And I think we'll just put one more color. Okay. Right. Let's go quickly. Hope you can see it. So let me just go over. That's very pretty, if anything else. I don't know about this. I don't know. This is not what I was expecting at all. I mean, what do you do with it now, you know? I don't know what to say. I don't like it. I don't like it. Alright, you know what? We all know what we do when we don't like something. Well, that's interesting. Hold on now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put more paint in here. And we're just going to use it to do like a like a ribbon paw, and then we're just going to stretch it out. We might as well. And everybody, that's why I keep saying, if you're doing something and it doesn't turn out looking the way you were expecting it to look, oops, just keep playing, just keep adding stuff, and you never know. I mean, you might just be able to save it still. So, okay, well, let's see now. I'm just going to add this over the top like that. Oh, that's pretty. Take it around because I want to tilt this out now. You see, that's pretty. If it had turned out looking like that, I would have been happy. But it didn't. Okay, all right, let's just move all this out the way. Let me bring you up, and let's tilt this and see what we get. Just go over there, over that side. Okay, I'm just going over, sort of like that. Oops. Nearly there. I just need to cover that corner down there, which I can just do like that with some paint. Wow, there's actually some very pretty colors in there. Lots of gold and blue around there, which is very pretty. I'm going to leave this now. I'm going to leave it like this and see how it dries. I'll show you now when I bring you in the gold and blue, how pretty it is. Really, really pretty. Let me bring you in. Hold on. Okay, so, I mean, obviously this is not what we set out to do, but it turned out looking very pretty. And I don't know if you can see it because the sun, but that's all gold and metallic blue up top there. Yeah, there, I think you can see it. You see that? But look at the pretty colors and designs. Look at that. It turned out very pretty, I think. Very, very pretty patterns and designs. Lots of blue and gold in there again. It's very different, but I do like the colors. And, I mean, look at the... Very pretty. See the blue and gold everywhere. It's very different. I'm quite happy with that. Quite happy with that. We're gonna let it dry. It's very bright. It's very colorful. Let's see what it looks like when it's dry, I think. Everybody, thank you very much for joining me today. Yeah, the painting did not turn out the way I expected it to, but it's okay. I'm happy with what we've got. And you know, that's the thing, just keep going, keep playing. You might still be able to save it, and if you can't, there's always the option just to scrape it off while it's still wet, and you can just reuse the canvas again. That's all, you know. But keep going and play around. You never know what you're going to land up with. Right, so that's it, everyone. Thanks for joining me. I will be back next weekend. I hope you all have a good week. And please remember, all paintings created in this channel are available to buy. Details down in the description box below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so. Your support would really mean the world to me. And that's it, everyone. See you next time. Bye.